Hello students, today we are going to know about subject-verb agreement and I am going to start this chapter with two examples. Rita is a good girl. Rita and Meena are good girls. In the first sentence, Rita is the subject. It is a singular noun. The verb is has been used in the first sentence. And it is a singular verb. In the second sentence, Rita and Meena are the subjects and are plural in number. The verb are has been used. It is a plural verb. And this shows that the verb in a sentence must always agree with the subject in number, whether it is singular or plural. So, if the noun or pronoun subject in a sentence is singular, the verb must be singular. If it is plural, the verb must be plural. Okay. Next, we are going to know with some other examples. First, I am a good girl. You are a good girl. She is a good girl. In the above sentences, pronouns has been used as subjects. In the first sentence, I is the first person pronoun and is also the subject of the sentence. And the verb am has been used with it. In the second sentence, you is the subject. It is a pronoun in the second person and the verb are has been used. In the third sentence, she, third person pronoun, is the subject and is has been used as the verb. Now, more points to remember. First, proximity of subjects and verbs. Proximity means closeness. She loves reading stories. Here, the subject is placed immediately before the verb. But in some sentences, the subject may not be placed next to the verb. When a group of words acts as a subject, the main word is actually the subject. Therefore, the verb should agree with this word and not with anything else in the phrase. The long fairy tales that she narrated were interesting. Here, fairy tales is the subject. It is in the third person plural number. So, the verb were is taken. The verb is in agreement with the subject. The broken chairs kept outside were repaired. Right? Next, when there is a group of words used as a subject, the main word acts as the subject. Just like my friends who are fun-loving want to go out for a movie with you. Now, in the above sentence, the subject is friends and it is in the third person plural number. So, it takes verb want. The subject friends is the main word in the group of words. So, it acts as the subject. The verb want agrees with the subject friend. When a sentence begins with the word there, the noun placed after the verb is the actual subject of the sentence. For example, there is a parrot in the cage. Here, is the verb and a parrot is the subject. Is the verb and parrot is the subject. The actual subject in this sentence is the parrot. Right? A parrot is the subject. The word there is the preparatory or introductory subject. The subject a parrot is singular and takes the singular verb is. Whereas there are plants in the balcony. There are plants in the balcony. Here are is the verb and plants is the subject. So the subject plants and takes the subject is plants and takes the verb are.